In the basic programming videos, we will explain commonly used program languages of RCX340. For the robot languages not being explained in the video, please refer to the RCX340 Programming Manual or Help menu of RCX Studio 2020. In this video, we will explain move P, delay, label definition, and GOTO. With these commands, you can create a simple two-point reciprocating program. Execute move, to move the robot to the specified position with an absolute movement. The robot number can be omitted, and if omitted, the robot 1 will be specified. The axis number also can be omitted, and if omitted, all axes will be specified. For the movement type, specify P for PTP motion, L for linear interpolation motion, and C for circular interpolation motion. The applicable options differ depending on the movement type. We will explain some of options in this video. For the rest of the options, please refer to the manual. Options can be omitted. Users can specify the coordinate values, point number, or point name as the target position. When specifying the coordinate values, separate each axis information with a space. Also, even for the 4-axis robot, it is required to specify the information for 6 axes. When specifying the point number or point name, you can specify multiple points by separating them with comma. Execute move P, to move the robot to the specified position with an absolute movement with the PTP control. With the PTP control, a robot moves to the target position from a current position in the quickest way. Therefore, move P can move a robot in shorter time than other movement types. If you add the arch motion specification, 3 actions are performed with one move command. First, evacuate the arch axis to the specified position. Second, move the axes other than the arch axis to the target position. And third, descend the arch axis to the target position. However, the arch motion specification only can be applied to the PTP motion. Also, users can specify a direct distance from the starting point with the arch distance 1, and a direct distance from the ending point with the arch distance 2. When arch distance 1 and 2 are omitted, the movement will be performed based on the distance set in the parameters. Shorter arch distances result to the shorter talk time. When a value with a decimal point is specified for any of arch position, arch distance 1, or 2, it will be a millimeter unit. And when values without decimal points are specified for all the items, it will be a pulse unit. Delay pauses the program execution for the specified time. The unit is millimeter second. When delay 1000 was executed, the program will pause for a second. Users can name a program line with a label. Labels always have to begin with asterisk and end with colon. There are restrictions of available characters for label. The label has to be within 32 characters in length, only using alphanumeric characters and underscores, And the first letter cannot be an underscore. GOTO sends a program execution line to the line with the specified label. When specifying a label with GOTO, do not put colon. Create a program that goes back and forth between point 1 and point 11, with a pause of 1 second. Select New Program in the window tree, and open the empty program. Once you've finished creating a program and completed syntax check, save the program. Execute the created program. If you stop the program during the arch movement, the movement after you resume the program may be unexpected. When you stop the program during the descending arch movement, and resume the program, the arch axis will move to the target position via the arch position. Therefore, the robot moves up once, then moves down. Compare the program with the movement when the arch distances are 0. That is all the explanation of move P, delay, label definition, and GOTO.